Ready?
Yeah.
Dang, that's a wind. Wow.
That's windy.
This might be more wind than it's
Just
worth.
hovering in one spot.
Yeah. Huh. And it's pretty.
Yeah. Does it feel windy?
Yeah.
There's like a water tank up there.
Huh?
Up on the left here, there's a water tank. Do you see a water tank?
Water tank. No, I see a trailer.
No, it's after that, up by the hill. Something circly. I don't see you anymore. You must be too far.
I decided to fly into the wind so that if I had to, I could come back with it.
Oh, there you go.
Definitely moving slow. Wow, there's some incredible thermals over there.
Are you up next to the red cliffs? Oh, you're way over there.
This way.
I didn't realize that you were going left.
Holy smokes. river under us. This is too rough though. I think it's going to tear my plane apart. I'm coming back. You right here still?
I was walking away to try and find you. I can't see you.
I'm coming. I'm almost back to us. Actually, kind of behind us now. I might just put it down in the rocks right in front of me.
Yeah?
I think it's going to be basically a hover it to the ground kind of thing.
So stay away from the front of you.
Just be ready to go get it.
Oh, I can hear you now.
See it?
I don't see you yet, but I can hear you. Ah, there you are. Okay. Land on top of the motorhome.
Just about. Oh, and then the wind stops for a second.
Hoverland is perfect for this area.
I'm going to go farther than I meant.
You going again?
Try and go around.
Oh. Did you get very close to the red rocks?
Yeah, I went out and along them, but it's just
Awful.
so brutal. I don't want to I feel like it's just going to destroy my plane.
Right. Well, yeah, the wind could easily just whip you into the rock, right? Is it worse the closer you get to the rock?
Even just trying to turn around is hard. It wants to keep.
You should have just
pushing.
offered. I could have gone out and grabbed it.
Just about. See, now I'm over people's houses. I don't want to be over their houses. Are there power lines to our right? If I'm
Yeah,
out in
but
the
they're
dirt?
over
I know
by
there's
that
power lines
house.
if I land on the road, but do they continue or did they stop?
There you are. You're past all the power lines.
So I can get low right here?
Yeah. Aim for that dirt.
Oh, I still went farther than I meant.
Right there. Perfect. Oh, that was perfect landing. Nice, soft. Do you want me to turn your phone off?
Yeah.
11 minutes.